Hello friends, welcome to the Techlisten channel. So friends, today I will talk about MSI RTX 4070 Super Gaming X Slim MLG series. So friend, MSI's upcoming RTX 4070 Super lineup will getting a small update in the form of new color design, and MSI is following the release of its first MLG card featuring a Dragon Maiden theme with a black and red color scheme. The previously released RTX 4060 was a dual fan design, while the new Gaming X Slim series will get 3 fans, and the MLG design has only been announced for RTX 4070 Super with no official plans for 4070 Ti or 4080 Super. This means that the highest specification available with the red and black design feature 8104 GPU with 7168 quad-cores and 12GB GDDR6 memory. MSI has two models, either with or without factory overclocking, and the company advertised 2655 MHz max GPU clock, which can be applied through MSI Center software, or 2640 MHz clock out of the box. 8 users chose not to use software. Alternately, there is non-OC model with a 2490 or 2475 MHz clock, and this card is designed to fit into 2 slots, and it measures 30 by 12 by 4.6 cm, so not really the smallest card around. But for those who really like the design but may have problem fitting the card, there is still RTX 4060 option. And friend, the interesting fact about this card is that they all ship with 245 TDP out of the box, and according to NVIDIA specification, the RTX 4070 Super SKU offer 220W TDP by default, and Founder Edition has maximum TGP of 240W. And what this means, the MSI card have 5W higher than NVIDIA design, that is before manual overclocking. And friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.